Good morning, gang. It is like, what time is it? It's 6:30 AM. I'm packed. I'm gonna cut the label off my Yeezy 500s, wear them to the airport, and then I'm off to Singapore. I'm with Yanin.
I look like death if I don't do it.
You look cute. Your glasses. Yeah, we're just catching up. I just had some breakfast and we need to buy. What do we need to buy?
That's shampoo.
The essentials.
Don't even care. Wherever you go, I'll always be there.
I like have a bowl haircut now. Me and Yanin just got to Singapore and Yanin booked us a car. Lifesaver. So we're going to Lloyds Inn right now. And when you step off the plane, Singapore smells so nice, doesn't it? Even this taxi smells nice, everything smells good.
I'm not gonna let you let this go. We live in shadows, always a battle, but there's nothing to lose.
Me and Yanin just checked into Lloyds Inn, but we're super early so our rooms aren't ready yet. They gave us these cute waters though, and so we just quickly freshened up and we're gonna go do that cafe slash candle making stuff.
I'll always be there, I'll always follow. I'm here, I don't even know, but I'm with you.
So me and Yanin have come to TUMBLR Lab to make candles. And it took us so long to find, we literally have no idea.
We'll show you guys like when we go out how like...
Yeah, it's kind of sketchy. We did not think it would be in here, but it is. So yeah, they actually have these candles and fragrances at the hotel that we're staying in at Lloyds Inn. And Yanin, he's super prepared, booked us on here, so we're going to make stuff, which is pretty exciting.
Candle,
Guys, I stood in paint. In my Yeezys. Oh. Look, wet paint. Oh. No, it's not funny, Yanin. They're new trainers.
I'm not gonna let you let this go. A brand new start. I wanna pick up the pace. Pick up the pace.
Me and Yanin have come to, what's it called?
Orchard Road.
Orchard Road, Eon Orchard. We just went in Louis Vuitton. They don't have the trunk case for the iPhone X in stock. Prada. I just bought some Prada.
It is on Orchard Road.
Off-White?
Yeah.
Guys, so we're gonna find the Off-White store. I look absolutely terrible. This is what happens after a 14-hour flight and you don't shower. Look how pale I look. We're finally in the room, so I'm gonna do a little room tour. It's so nice, literally. Look at this, look at the bed. Oh yeah, and then we have stairs and also an outside bathroom. I've never had an outside bathroom thing before. Oh my god, look at that. And then, I don't know what's up here. I'm guessing just a little desk and a phone. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, it's this little desk bit. We could take some pictures from down here, like on the bed and stuff. That'd be really cool. Yes. Let me look at the bathroom. Oh, Yanin, they've given you a sarong. And me.
Oh yeah, matching.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the blue one.
Cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, the shower is outside.
Oh, fuck.
Look. There's no...
Oh, what at least? Like it's covered?
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's fine. But no one's gonna look in.
No, and we can't see each other's showers, so that's great.
I get watching that by my school's place.
Yeah.
So we've got to keep this door shut.
Yeah. I love when they give you a phone. Hey guys, so I'm reunited with Tessa. Yay. I don't think you've ever been in a vlog. Have you?
Other ones, not with you though.
Oh, not in one of my vlogs. Well, this is Tessa.
Here I am.
Yanin's watching a dog hump me today. And then Tessa's gonna show me around a bit of Singapore tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah.
Which I'm very excited about.
Can I go back?
Yeah, yeah, you can rewind. Oh wait, no, this one.
Chad's travel. Oh, he's tall. He's 183.
Yeah, that's good. That's just a bit taller than me, like 1 centimeter taller than me.
Okay, so like.
Yeah.
And tell you. Okay.
Give him a like. Oh my god, did we match?
Yeah.
Oh yay! Good morning, guys. I passed out in the restaurant last night, having dessert. I just fell asleep.
Good dessert.
Yeah, it was.
It was really, really good. We had cheesecake salsa.
Oh, it was really good. Look how nice our room is. So we are getting ready now. We're gonna go for breakfast with Isabel and Tessa again. And me and Yana are going for afternoon tea, which will be cute. And then Tessa's gonna take me to the Cloud Forest and the like Marina Bay Sands area because I want to take some pictures for Instagram and I want to see it as well. And then we are all gonna go for dinner and drinks tonight, I think. And then tomorrow we go to Bali. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower and get ready.
I'm not gonna let you let this go. I'm not gonna let you let this go.
Okay guys, so I'm trying to use my DJI Spark for the first time. Tessa's here. I'm just trying to like practice it in the room.
I'm dying.
Tessa's just dead.
I'm so hot, it's so hot outside. I'm like legit so
You've
sweaty.
been walking. Oh, you look cute though. Have you changed?
The drum.
Go back to the homepage. Oh, you know what? I have to update it again. Sorry, I just don't. This is so annoying. Oh my god. Tessa. Caught the edge of the thing. Oh no, the battery fell out.
Oh my god. We're never gonna lose it, Molly.
So that was some inside drone action that just happened. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But we're gonna go to Marina Bay Sands now because that's cute, it's like a pineapple. And I want to get a picture of my outfit for Instagram and obviously want to see the architecture because it looks amazing. And Tessa lives in Singapore, so she knows everything.
Which is the Cloud Forest perception.
Whoa.
Did you start flying drones?
Oh my god, don't. So we're in Tower 1 hotel.
My second home.
And Tessa brings everyone here. And we're just saying like, what if I flew my drone up there? So we could not get a good shot from this side of Marina Bay Sands, so we're gonna go to the dome.
The aircon garden.
Oh, there's water. Oh. We're gonna go to aircon and yeah, so the Cloud Forest. And then we're gonna go, Tessa has a casting, because she's a model. And then we're gonna go to the other side of Marina Bay Sands to get a picture. Because I'm fussy.
Because the light is not on our face.
It's not, it's the wrong side. Me and Tessa just spent ages waiting for people to leave so we could get an Instagram picture.
Joel keeps complaining that people keep ruining his video.
They do, people don't understand, they just get in the way. I'm trying to make a nice film
story.
here. This is so much better than Sky Garden in London.
Oh, I've never been.
Oh, it's just a platform with some plants on it and that's it. The views are quite good in London, but this is like crazy. So me and Tessa have had a fun day taking pictures and going around Crystal Forest. What's it called? Cloud Forest. No, what do you want screwed me over? That crystal thing at the end.
It's rubbish.
So bad. It's pretty cool. And now we are going to meet Isabel and Yanin because we're going to...
Joel's gonna have his first chicken rice.
Oh yeah, come in the sun, come in the sunshine.
Come to the light.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my first chicken rice. But yeah, and then we go to Bali tomorrow.
Really excited for that.
Bali body ready.
I can't wait to be on that pool, to be honest.
Yeah, but some of the get ready for the rooms that we're staying in, guys, because they're going to be insane. Okay, so Tessa, can you explain to us what we're having?
We're having Chinese chicken rice. Basically, the rice, I think it's boiled in the chicken broth, but it's amazing.
And then with chicken, amazing.
And the chili sauce is like a must. You have to have the chili sauce.
Okay, I'll have it. Thank you. What time is it, Tessa?
10 to 5.
You look really cute. For 10 to 5, she looks pretty good. I look great as well. It's like a shark fin here. Should I straighten it down? Okay, so I straightened that bit of hair down. We've not slept, and it's now nearly 5 AM because our flight to Bali is in like 2 hours. Where's Tessa? She's there.
Oh my god, this one foot's bigger than the other.
Huh?
I think one foot's bigger than the other, but it's not.
Are they comfy to fly in?
I don't know, I've never worn before.
So we're just finished off packing, and then we're gonna get an Uber to the airport.
Look at my side compared to your side.
Yeah, let's see.
Like colour here.
That's Tessa's side, all organised and folded, and this is my side. I need to quickly rearrange.
This outfit's weird.
It's 5 AM, why is the airport so busy? We got McDonald's breakfast, even though we weren't supposed to. We said we weren't going to have any carbs.
Bali body's not happening.
And I got a bottle of water, and apparently you can't even take it on a plane, because they do another security check now, look.
I don't get it, you should order though.